Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. The emergence of Islamic banks is an effort to practice Islamic values in the economic field, starting from one sharia banks in 1992. Now there have been 15 sharia banks spread across various parts. Islamic banks are now growing rapidly and offer a variety of product offerings that can be enjoyed by the community. Therefore, let's get acquainted with Islamic banking products that are popular today in the community. As is known, Islamic banks are banks that carry out business activities based on sharia principle. In its management, Islamic banks, like banks in general, carry out three main functions, namely accepting money deposits, lending money, and providing money receiving service. The derivative of this function is the existence of Islamic bank products that can be utilized by the community. So what are the popular Islamic banking products? Sharia savings. Sharia savings have the same function as conventional savings, namely to store funds. It's just that three is an agreement or contract between the customer and the bank. It can be with a wadiah contract, which means that the customer savings are only deposited so that they don't get a profit. There is also a mutarabah contract, which means savings are managed by a bank with a profits sharing system. As a customer, you can withdraw funds at any time through bank tellers, ATMs, withdrawal slips, and internet banking. Each Islamic bank has its own uniqueness with respect to the selected type of Sharia savings, the minimum of money in the account, and the maximum number of withdrawals in a day. Sharia deposits are time deposit products that are managed by Islamic banks using the mudarabah principle. This product can be owned by individual or corporate customer and can be withdrawn after the maturity or expiration of the deposit, for example 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 11 months to 24 months. The profit obtained is in the form of ratio or profit sharing with 16-14 offer of customer and banks. The benefit can be felt when having Sharia deposit according to natural. Profit sharing can be arranged independently and can be used as collateral for financing. Sharia fund management. There is an automatic rollover or called ARO facility. Customer funds are guaranteed by the Deposit Insurance Corporation. Sharia pawning is a cash loan product from Islamic banks to customer using rahn or ijarah contract. This means that the customer must submit collateral as a condition of the contract. If the customer or debitor is unable to pay off the installments, the collateral will be sold to cover the debt. If the selling price exceeds the debt, the excess will be returned to the customer. The customer or debitor is still subject to the cost of maintaining the goods. This is in accordance with the Islamic view, which considers the pawn could to remain the property of debitor. So the maintenance cost will automatically be borne by the customer. Sharia loans. The Sharia loan product can be used as an alternative in the procurement of goods. The customer is, of course, obligated to pay off the loan to the Islamic bank in the form of direct payments or installment. Banks benefit from the margin of the pure cash price of goods in the store with the selling price to customer. Generally, the loan use a murabahah contract. For example, a Sharia bank provides the goods in advance at a predetermined store and then sells it to customer at a price after the margin. Sharia current account. Islamic demand deposits are savings product in Islamic banks. Its uniqueness is that the deposited funds can be withdrawn via check or billiard giro in addition to an ATM card. Current accounts or current customer can be individuals or legal entities who need the convenience of transacting in very large quantity and at any time. The concept of Sharia giro is wadi'ah or deposit. The provision of the Sharia demand deposit as follows. Deposits can be collected at any time or called on call. No compensation is required except for voluntary gifts from the banks. Okay, that's all from me.